A very good morning, class. So, as we have seen, and I have uploaded 3 subjects paper pattern, that is SP, OCM, and Maths and Statistics. All the 3 paper pattern का link will be provided in this particular video. तो आप नीचे description box में जाके you can get the link of all these 3 subjects paper pattern along with the time management so that it doesn't become stressful and difficult for you all to complete the paper on time. So now we are starting with bookkeeping and accountancy. That is accounts subject ka board paper pattern we'll be discussing in this particular video for HSC Maharashtra State Board for the academic year 2020 to 21. So without wasting much time, class, let us start with discussing the board paper pattern which you'll be writing this year, the first year after the portion has changed for 12th standard. The time allotted to you is 3 hours, which comprises of 180 minutes. So first we'll have a look at what is the paper pattern, and then I'll explain you all how you will be dividing your time differently to each question. So as you can see, class, here lot of objective questions are being introduced in your textbook. All right. So in 11th standard, we had seen the textbook का जो visual presentation था. It was completely different from the one which you all had studied previously, right, before. So the same paper pattern this year has been followed in 12th standard as well. So in your textbook class, you can see you are having in the exercise section many sections related to objectives A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Consisting of fill in the blanks, match the column, complete the table, true or false, write one word or phrase, correct? So there are so many objective type questions which are given. So the very first is divided into 4 subsections A, B, C and D, consisting of 5 marks each. तो ये जो 4 सबसेक्शंस है ये कुछ भी हो सकते हैं आपके ABCDEFGHIJ वाले सेक्शन से which is given in your textbook. So you have to be prepared and thoroughly read and understand each and every chapter and उसके objectives. So concept clearance is very, very essential over here. Now you can expect drawing the format of bills of exchange over here as well. तो आपका जो bills of exchange का format है, जो bill आप लोग बनाते हो, that can also be asked in these sub questions for 5 marks. So practice thoroughly how to draw the bills of exchange. Moving forward to the next question, that is question number 2. Now in this particular question, class, you will be given 2 problems. ठीक है, 10 marks each. Out of these 2 problems आपको कोई भी एक solve करना है जो 10 mark के लिए depend आता है. Now this problem can be from these particular topics, and वो topics है admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, dissolution of partnership firm or bills of exchange. So out of these 4 topics, class, any 2 combination can be used. So it can be either admission or dissolution. It can be retirement or bills of exchange. ऐसे 2 questions आपको दिए होंगे जिसमें से आपको कोई भी एक attempt करना है for 10 marks. Question number 3 is again the same pattern. Any one out of 2 questions which will be given to you all. Any 2 remaining problems from question number 2. तो क्लास मैंने आपको बोला था there are total 4 topics ना, that is admission, retirement, dissolution, bills of exchange. So मान लो question number 2 में you got sums related to admission and dissolution. So in question number 3 you will be having sums on retirement and bills of exchange. अगर ऐसा आया तो it can be other option also. मान लो retirement और dissolution एक साथ आ गया. So admission and bills of exchange will come together. So question number 2 and 3 इन 4 topics से related होगा. That is admission, retirement, dissolution and bills of exchange. So I hope the first question number 1, 2, 3 is clear. Now I request all of you before you all move forward, prepare the pro forma, prepare the format, and please don't waste your time on totaling and tallying. टैली करने में टाइम ज्यादा वेस्ट मत करना, पहले सारे एंट्रीज फॉर्मेट में भरना जरूरी है. Once you're finished with the paper with all the format ready, pencil scale से पूरा ढांचा बनाने के बाद all the entries you have passed in all the type of sums, then you come on tally. All right. So that we'll be seeing in the coming slides. Time management. अगर आपके पास टाइम बच रहा है तो आप वो टाइम यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं for doing the total. अगर नहीं, so please leave the total and move on to the next question. So वो मैं आपको next slide में बताने वाली हूँ how to allot how much minutes to each particular question. Coming to question number 4, again you have solved any one out of 2 problems for 8 marks now. So the topics which you will see over here is death of a partner, issue of shares, analysis of financial statement and computer accounting. So class, ये जो 2 problems है, इनमें से any 2 का combination can be same as it was in 2 and 3. So मान लो if you're getting 2 problems, one on issue of shares and the second is of computer accounting, so you can expect the next 2 in question number 5, that is death or analysis next question में आएगा. So again question number 5 is the same, solve any one from the remaining 2 problems from question number 4. So वो चारों cover हो जाएंगे 2-2 करके, question number 4 and question number 5, but both these problems will be for 8 marks. Question number 2 or 3 ke it was for 10 marks. Now class, question number 6 and question number 7 is compulsory question. So यहाँ पे you will be having one problem given on non for profit organization NPO वाले sums, ठीक है, for 12 marks and partnership final accounts. एक problem compulsory 12 marks. So question number 6 and 7 is compulsory, whereas 2, 3, 4, 5 में you are getting options. So basically class, आपको NPO और final accounts option में छोड़ना बिल्कुल नहीं है. You have to compulsory practice the chapters non for profit and problems on partnership final accounts. So this is the paper pattern for 80 marks class. Now quickly we'll see how much time you have to allot to each question so that आपका paper time पे finish हो पाए और आप ज़्यादा stress में ना रहे. So we start with the first question, that is the objective question. As you all know class, you get 10 minutes before the paper in hand, the question paper. So you can easily decide what questions you have to attempt and what questions you can spend time on. मतलब कौन से question पे आपको ज़्यादा time लगने वाला है, ये आप देख सकते हो. So for example, if you start at 11 dot, so for objectives, I expect you all to give 20 minutes. That is from 11 to 11:20. बहुत शांति से, बहुत अच्छे से objectives पूरा focus करना है, because 20 marks should not go anywhere out of 80. So 20 marks आराम से आपको हासिल करने. And the reason for telling you to give 20 minutes is अगर आप proforma attempt कर रहे हैं, which is scoring, can get 5 on 5 in the proforma of bills of exchange. So better please attempt that proforma of bills of exchange very nicely, neatly with all the details filled. So question number 1 has to be given 20 minutes. Question number 2 जो है, any one out of 2 problems which is for 10 marks, which can be out of these 4 topics. You will allot 20 minutes for this sum. एक ही sum attempt करना है आपने, तो you are gonna give 20 minutes. Now out of these 20 minutes, 15 minute में आपको पूरा ढांचा with all the details you have to submit. Okay. So once it is done, वो ढांचा बनाने के बाद all the entries you are gonna enter into that particular sum, and the last 5 minutes you can keep for tally. So मान लो 11-20 को अगर if you are starting the sum, so 15 minutes, that is by 11:35. if you are completed the entries, आपने सारी entries complete कर ली है, तो you can utilize that 5 minutes for totaling. अगर आपका 20 मिनट के अंदर सिर्फ एंट्रीज ही हो रहा है, so please do not go for completing the sum by doing the total. टोटल फिलहाल के लिए वहां पे रख देना. All right. So moving on to the next question, question number 3, which is again of the same pattern. So 2 problems will be given and उसमें से कोई भी एक आपने solve करना है for 10 marks. Out of these 4 topics which are given, तो 2 question number 2 में आ गए and the next 2 are given in this particular question. So now you are giving for question number 3 25 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. 25 मिनट आप यहाँ पे बांट सकते हो. That is 11:40 to 12:05. So मान लो अगर आपका क्वेश्चन थर्ड में टाइम बच रहा है, like you started at 11:40 and 12 बजे तक हो गया, तो now you can utilize this 5 minutes for totaling of question number 2. तो बेसिकली आपको एडजस्ट करना है टाइम so that 1 hour 11 से लेके 12:05 तक आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 and 3 बहुत अच्छे से कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. सो 1 घंटे के अंदर आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 and 3 कंप्लीट करना है, वो टारगेट रख के चलना. Now moving on to the next question, question number 4, which is of 8 marks. Same pattern है, एक सम अटेम्प्ट करना है 2 में से, which can be out of these 4 topics. So the time which you'll be allotting over here is again 25 minutes. So 12:05 से 12:25 तक you can allot the time for question number 4, followed by question number 5, again of 8 marks, which you are attempting any one question out of 2, which will be out of these 4 topics. So now you can allot 20 minutes to this particular sum. तो आपके स्पीड के हिसाब से, आपके नॉलेज के हिसाब से you can adjust the timing for 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो पर क्वेश्चन 20 मिनट्स का टाइम रख के चलना. ऑलराइट. सो 12:25 से 12:45 तक you should finish question number 4 and 5. Moving on to the next compulsory and very, very important questions, question number 6 and question number 7. So question number 6 for you, that is NPO, which carries 12 marks. You have to allot minimum 30 से 35 minutes. आधा घंटा आपने देना है. So by 12:45 से 1:15 तक maximum you have to complete question number 6. Coming to question number 7, problem on partnership final accounts, 30 से 35 minutes. That is 1:15 to 1:45 max. And max to max 50 तक आपने किसी भी तरीके से question 7 complete करना है. As I tell you all, 10 to 15 minutes you have to compulsorily save for yourself. Why? थ्रेड बांधनी है, सप्लीमेंट्स बांधने हैं, होलोग्राफ चिपकाना है, डिटेल्स भरनी है, टैली करना है. All that is possible only after you finish tying, because supplements तो लगेंगे for sure. नहीं लगते तो और अच्छी बात है, आपको और 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाते हैं, वो टाइम बच जाता है. So now these 10 to 15 minutes which you have saved, you can utilize for the totaling part, for the tallying part, जो आपने पीछे छोड़ दिया था, कुछ सम में रह गया था, apart from giving the time allotted. तो बच्चा पार्टी, keep and listen to this paper pattern and start practicing accordingly. तो जब आप लेसन वाइज प्रैक्टिस करने बैठ रहे हो, सी टू इट एडमिशन, रिटायरमेंट, डेथ, 20 से 25 मिनट के अंदर अंदर आपके सम्स हो रहे कि नहीं. पार्टनरशिप फाइनल अकाउंट, नॉन प्रॉफिट कंसर्न, you are able to complete it along with tally in 30 minutes or not. So all these things you have to practice, then only you will be able to write your paper and complete it on time. So with this note, class, I'll wind off this today's session and wishing you very good luck and all the best for the board exams. Link of other paper patterns are also been uploaded in the description box. So if you have liked this video and if you feel that it is beneficial, do subscribe to my channel and share it across with your friends so that they can also benefit out of it. And keep watching, stay tuned, and keep learning and practicing according to this timing which I explained in the paper pattern. So take care, and if any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. So I stop here for today. Thank you so very much for listening to me patiently. Good luck and take care.